Right on. I apologize for the latency of my connection. Uh, I'm currently in my studio office, and they have like building Wi-Fi, which isn't the greatest. So bear with me. But if you're tuning in, thank you so very much. I appreciate it. We are back in action. Pips to Porsches. Um, I just been working on setting up this whole office space. I said office slash studio because I actually have a music studio in here. But on days where I'm not recording or have any clients, I'll definitely be on the charts and working on some trading and some mentorship. Okay, I mean, yeah, that was a little different. So, without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and dive into these charts. So, um, I wonder if I click off of the page, is it going to end my live stream? Because that's not what I wanted. Toggle screen capture, toggle camera. Um, I don't know. This is a little unique, but let's see what happens. Hope it didn't end my live stream. I don't think it did. How am I supposed to pull up anything on my screen? Okay, I don't know. I'll figure it out. Man, this connection is crap, man. I'm sorry, guys. I'm trying to pull up this chart of DXY. I really don't know how to work this. And I'm pretty tech savvy, so that's an issue. Okay. Where's the live chat? Is this a live chat with me? I'm assuming so. Yeah. I apologize. Give me 1 second because I have to read this message. Uh, you know what? Mm-hmm. Sometimes it's not best to fight fire with fire. So I just had to clear that up. All right. So let's get into some charts. I hope if I click off this thing, it doesn't like take me. Uh, honestly, I'm a little confused right now. Is this? I mean, is it just a live stream where people just come talk to me? Like I can't even pull up anything on my screen. Okay. So now I'm sharing my screen of me sharing my screen. I don't know how this works. Okay. So I do not. Let me call up my gang member. Bear with me, y'all. I'm so sorry. And I know this is gonna be recorded, so I'm just trying to get everything straight.
What's up, boy?
Gang, gang. Hey, I'm on the streaming thing.
I just seen that shit come to my fucking email. I was like, what the fuck?
Lit. Yeah, so I'm on the streaming thing now, but I don't get how it works because it's like I can't go to any other screens or nothing. You know what I'm saying?
Flip your phone. It's probably on, bro.
No, I mean it's on.
It really be on. You gotta make two screens. Yeah. All right. So you see that all the way on the right side? That's your screen mirroring, John. The one that has the X to it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Turn that on.
Okay.
Right now, go. You have to pick a window.
Oh.
Yeah. Go over there. Now pick a window. That's what it's gonna stream.
Okay. Damn, I got all these damn things open. Oh my god.
I'm about to
Okay.
be in the whip. I'm gonna get a card on for a second.
All right. Oh, bingo. Okay. Sorry, gang. Let me close all of this stuff because that's probably why my computer is running slow and my brain is running a little slower. So let's close all of these windows. Okay. All right, bet. Okay. Bada bing, bada boom. So this was, I was doing it correctly, but I was actually sharing my screen. Here we go. Right on. All right, bet. So here we have gold, but let's start with the dollar. Okay. So, like an idiot, I deleted the last markup that I had posted on here, which I was talking about the dollar coming back down to this area and turning around. I originally had this up here, but I was just like, we could come all the way down there just to fill this thing entirely. Um, but yeah, this little point of interest price fell and came right back to it, and it's actually above it now. This is also on a monthly chart. So from this line, this horizontal line that I drew, it looks like price already shot up there and started rejecting. So there's no telling like how much further we could see DXY drop, right? But we're just gonna start dissecting here. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay. Okay. All right. Well, clearly we got this daily bullish order block in this range. So let's do a few things. Okay. So from what I'm getting from this, right? Price was at a premium, broke to 50%, came down here. Now we're in discount, immediate buying action. Um, I'm gonna definitely have to look into Psych because they got it right here. Where is it? Okay, so that's for GBP. Um, what do we see for USA? Michigan consumer sentiment. I'm gonna have to study this because it's been a while since I've been looking at anything. I've been working on this office, so I don't know if I have anybody in right now, but thank you for being here. I would, play some jams, but don't want them to, block my channel and stuff. Copywriting and all that. Scuff my favorite glasses. Here's what it is. So February 10th. Today is the 7th. So Friday we got some news coming out in the US. Okay, so let's see. Is there a way that So we had the balance of trade. Boy, the forecast was 68. Oh, okay. The actual came out to 67. All right. Well, what did that cause the dollar to do? That was today. Wait, what? This thing is in New York time, so I mean, technically in New York it's almost 4:30, 4:20 something. You can check and see how many people are watching. Retro. All right, we'll just close that for now. Yeah, I didn't want to like keep clicking back and forth on my pages, but yeah, I try to periodically just thank whoever's tapped into this. So thank you, gang. Um, this is very strange. Oh, 5:30 in the morning. Okay, be smart here. All right, so 5:30 a.m. today. Let's see what happened. I mean, I guess whenever this dropped, I mean this balance of trades, right? Being that their forecast was, I mean, this is, if I'm reading this correctly, this is negative $68.5 billion, and they were shy, you know, a bill, maybe about point 0.9. So what I'm seeing from this is that they basically pushed value of the dollar up, right? But what else do we got going on here? We got a run on Monday's high. So what do I anticipate next? All right. I mean, I can't say everybody knows. So Wednesday is usually the reversal time of the week. Usually, I'm not gonna say it's always. So what do I see? Right, Monday we make this high. Right, coming into Tuesday we kind of make this little low. Tuesday comes in, we take out Monday's low, shoot up to take out Monday's highs, and then what? We come all the way back down here to these lows from this is basically what? So Sunday, like kind of like opening market. Um, so what I'm seeing from this, I mean, I don't necessarily see price. Uh, well, at this 50% level, we got to push down and then to push right back up. So, I'm just gonna keep my eye on any news events to be coming out soon, especially for the dollar. But we don't get anything until Friday, so I don't know. I mean, I kind of see price just staying within this range here, right? Oh, really? Yeah, I kind of see price staying within this range. Um, the real question is, do we see price continuing to go up? Because as I anticipated, right, price came down to this 100 level. I thought it was going to hit like 99, but I'm a dollar off, whatever. However you calculate these things. So got down to 100, down there to the nitty gritty of it, and then shot up all the way to 104 damn near. And I'm a little mad at myself because I actually okay, so the last time I was on the charts, I was looking at gold and I'm like, man, by the way that things are going, you know, according to my calculations, if the dollar was to come down here and shoot up, gold was going to fall down. And that's exactly what happened. So let's take a look at gold. I don't think I have the markup on it anymore. Um, Man, this would have been a perfect re-entry. Cause see, initially, the when I had um, what happened? I was waiting for this to happen, and I missed it because, as you can see, we went from 1904. Okay, so let's see. It's about 100 pips, 200 pips, 300 pips, about almost a solid 500 pips. Right? Did he go with the 50 or yeah? And then to have fallen, because it respected this whole little trend line that I drew here. But it's all good, man. This is why I'm setting myself up for, full time streaming, marking up, taking these trades because, like, this is just so much money being left on the table here. and I had this I had this marked up, because this was basically the last huge area of liquidity before they just took off and kept going, kept going, kept going. So I'm not gonna cry over spilled milk, but from here on out, I'm gonna do my best to, just be. I don't want to say at the charts, but I have to be on top of this stuff, man. Being a leader, a mentor, this is this type of stuff that like I can't miss, and I'm dedicated to, like growing my students and my team and those around me. So I have to hold myself accountable. So forgive me, guys. But yeah, and right now where gold is at, I mean, let's see. If we go back to the dollar and kind of check it out, the only way I see or what I'm anticipating, because we broke above this point of interest and we had been in a downtrend for quite some time, right? This is since October. Since October, right? Huge uptrend though since June of 2021. So having this pullback, I mean, honestly, this is what I'm looking at for the dollar, right? Because we have we have a lot of it's crazy, man. I keep getting these messages about joining the Illuminati. I must be onto something. I bet. I'm a wrap this up in a bit. Um, yeah, man, that must mean I'm really out here doing something. Ooh, even better. All right. Um, have I really been sleeping on this whole play, bro? We got that high? Oh, okay. So, yeah, this is what I really was anticipating, right? So, on this monthly chart, dang, that's crazy. I forgot that we had ended up tapping the bottom of this. Yeah. So, once we kind of start this little climb back up here, we still got all of this. And we haven't touched these numbers since 85. I wasn't even born yet. How was it that the greatest time in history was, I mean, in American stocks for the dollar was 10 years before I was born, 8 years before I was born. So let's see, I'm going to mark off some like prime time areas, right? So that was as we were hitting this bullish market, we hit this level to reject. And the funny thing is, where price is at now on the dollar, it's actually an area. It's actually an area where we had found a significant level of support. So this is what I'll do. Extend it right. Okay. Then we're going to. I'm just kind of using that for now. Hey, what you doing? Okay. Well, we'll leave that as it is. So price right now is currently pushing up into an ancient bullish order block. Um, if we can see a push through here, right? See, this is what I really wanted to see though. because this is a pretty big move, and um, we came back to this level, right? We took out these lows, but I mean, it's so much liquidity that's still down here. Price tapped these intermediate highs, right? And there's liquidity right here because that's a little nerve wracking. So what's the green line right here? Is that lining up with my fib? Oh, that's dangerous. That's dangerous. Okay, so let's see. Because I basically did this range here. Um, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we might see the fall of Rome. Something like that. And yeah, it's happening. It's happening. Because right now, the way that the economy's set up, we're in a silent recession, right? Nobody wants to admit it. And, you know, everything going on in the world with the news and the media, you know, they're trying to keep everyone at bay, right? Joe Biden is talking about how many more jobs they created, but inflation is still going up. These interest rates are getting absurd. So, whatever, man. I'm gonna do my due diligence and pay attention to the news, but from what I'm seeing, yeah, we are going to and then it lines up with these intermediate highs. You can't tell me nothing, man. I'm out of here. Okay. So really, sheesh. I mean, I really don't see the dollar just riding back up unless we come and tap this OB right here. I mean, this is a monthly chart, so we probably won't see. Okay, well, this was, let's see, November. Coming into this little first quarter, we could see the turnaround, right? Because this is what, January, and that was, I mean, who knows, man? This is a very tough forecast to make because there's, you know, determining factors on both ends here. We got this bearish order block, right? Which, what happened? I don't know what my point of interest is. Yo.
Ew. My girl about to come out, so I can't like do everything I'm trying to do. But I'm gonna try to screen share. Let's see if we can't break this shit down real fast.
All right, let me go ahead and end this and thank all my viewers.
All right.
All right, bet. I'm gonna hit you right back.
Get in the car, I can't really chop it. So I mean, all right.
Oh. Hey man, you know, sometimes we gotta find time to make time. You know what I'm saying? So never rush the process. But yeah, back to what I was saying. We have determining factors on both ends here because there's a bearish order block here, but then there's liquidity down here, right? Where my little dollar sign at? Doink. Let me really though, it's big money under here. I ain't gonna be absurd, but just understand that there is big money under these lows. Okay, so basically, when we have price come up here, tap. Is that the intermediate? Yeah, these intermediate lows down there. Ooh, that well, we shall see, man, because it looks like price is kind of following the algorithm, right? Breaking, retesting, breaking, retesting. So from these intermediate highs from the what is this? This is '08, '09, 2010. Price came back and retested those intermediate highs and it broke above these. And so now it's retesting these. So that's why I'm saying, I'm just being patient. I want to keep this just in case because you guys were here to see it first. Um, but yeah, we're actually tap dancing on these intermediate highs now, and like my whole thing is, I would like to see this candle get filled before it really starts going back up, and that's just something that I would really like to see. But who's to say I'm gonna get what I want? Yo. Oh, yeah. Let me wrapping it up now. So look, thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for everybody tapping in today. Um, as y'all know, happy trading, trade well, and let's run it up for 2023. God bless. All right, we in that thing.